Rolls are a staple at many family dinners, especially special occasions such as Thanksgiving or Christmas. As with other baked breads, there's a surprising amount of science involved in making rolls right. In this course, you'll learn all the ingredient and process science so you can make them successfully yourself and, even better, have the edible knowledge to innovate and experiment with confidence. First, you'll learn all about the ingredients commonly used when making them at home, including flour, sugar, salt, soybean oil, yeast, and some ingredients you'll see in store-bought rolls, including malted barley, calcium propionate, sorbic acid, xanthan gum, sodium stearoyl lactylate, and datum. What are those things anyway? After that, we'll look at process science such as bread dough fermentation and Maillard browning. Then, we'll put it all together and explain the science of what's happening as the rolls are being made, both at home and in the commercial production facility, including what happens in the oven. And as a special treat, you'll get to see my wife form dough into lots of different shaped rolls. Don't forget the bloopers. Let's get started.